Machine A can complete a certain job in 3 hours. If machine B can complete the same job in 5 hours, how many minutes will it take both machines working simultaneously to complete 2/5 of the job? All right. So what's the rate of machine A? Machine A works one job in 3 hours. Machine B does same job in 5 hours. So if we add the rates, multiply by the time they work together simultaneously, I can get the total work they're expected to do, which would be 2/5 of the job. So let's do the math. Okay, the sum of this is 8 over 15 multiplied by t. So we can just simplify here. 5, here 3, 2, you get 4. So what is this? 4/3 of t equals 1. So t, the time would be 3/4 of an hour. That is 45 minutes.